What is up, guys? It's Thursday, May 9th. It is a balmy 66 degrees today. It's a little chilly in southern Delaware. We got some rain and maybe coming this weekend, so we're gonna try to get a little bit of wood moved tonight. We said we were gonna do it yesterday, but the grass got in the way, so let's pull the tractor out and see if we can get some more of this wood stacked. Here we go. All right, guys, I'm gonna head out and grab the forks. That seems to be working the best. Move some of this wood so we can stack it. So let's grab the forks real quick. All right, got the forks. Grab some wood. Luna, what are you doing? Uh-oh. She wants to go potty. Alright guys, we got the first one here. See how we do. Rolled there a little bit. It's alright. Add it right here. This actually should work out just fine. Oh, don't drop her. Oh, guys, I don't know. It's looking pretty sketch. Ah, she fell off. All right, guys, second one. I'm gonna try to put it right here in front of the camera. See how good my skills are here. Hey, not too shabby, guys. Alright guys, so next I'm just gonna grab some of these irregulars and I'm just gonna put them in a pile over here so we can get those split and hopefully put in those IBC totes. So you really can't sell wood like this, it's just a weird size. Alright guys, I'm just kind of centrally locating these around this tree right here. We'll just split these up here. There we go. Alright guys, this is that real big piece that we cut at the end here a couple episodes ago. So let me just push her on here. I'm sure she'll lift her. Shouldn't be a problem. Not a problem. Guys, check out this wolf spider. Look at him. Looks like he's got his egg sac on the back. They carry it around, I think. Dude, that's a big spider. Wow. Those things are just like killing machines. They just walk around and just eat and everything. They're good to have around. Wow. Alright guys, I had pretty good luck with that one on the end, but this one's a lot bigger. She might have to go in a different angle. Let me see if we can do it. I'm hitting the wood. Looks like my forks are hitting it. Okay. All right, we made touchdown. Let me see. I think I went too close. I think I was way too close. Ooh, we're looking good. Hey! Look at, oh man, I'm 2 for 2 tonight, guys. All right, guys, we are making progress here. I'm gonna grab some of these smaller ones. I think I might be able to get like 4 or 5 or maybe double stack it. Let's try. Those 3. Here's a smaller one right here. Now put this one on the second level there. She should be good. No problem. Just kind of roll them down. All right, guys, so I think I got done what I wanted to get done. You know, we should just call it what it is, and these episodes during the week are, let's just try to get done as much as we can before dinner. Because there's always that short amount of time after work, and then dinner, and then the night. So, yeah, I try to get done what we can. We gotta get after it every day to stay consistent, so we make progress at the end of the week. You know, you can look back and see what we got done. So. Okay, so these are the irregular weirdies, cookies, whatever you want to call them. We got that pile going there. That's going to wait. Because the goal is to get the IBC totes, get them ready, and we can put those in there. This little pile of irregulars, and there was one next to the splitter. So yeah, things are really looking good over here. Nice and clean. So we just have that one pile on the end, and that'll be the final one. But yeah, that's there's a bunch in here. It's just all kind of stacked on top of each other. Probably gonna be a bunch of irregulars on that one too, so that's okay. I'm still gonna burn them, but I'm really excited to get on the IBC totes. Maybe might be our Saturday project. Friday we'll probably take off and maybe go to drink after work. But yeah, I'm really excited to try the IBC totes. So yeah, guess we'll hopefully check that out Saturday. Hopefully the weather holds. So, okay, hi Luna. Hi sweetheart. Saying hi to everybody? Okay. Okay, good girl. You saying hi? Okay. Good girl. Okay. All right guys, so that's it for tonight. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for being a subscriber, and we'll see you this weekend. Thanks guys, bye.